Hi guys, one of the reasons why the C drive is full is that when you download an app or a movie or something, by default, the computer will download to the download folder, which belongs to the C drive. Today we will guide you on how to convert the default download folder to another drive, either D or E. First, you press the Windows plus E keys or click on the folder to open the File Explorer, then you select the drive you want to transfer the download folder to, then on that drive you create a folder, we choose the E drive, and then you give a name to that folder, as you would like to save with the name you put it. After you have created the folder on the drive you want to transfer the download folder to, you right-click on the default download folder, select the properties, then select the location. Here there are 3 items. You select the Move item, which will open a window so you can choose where you want the download folder to move. For now, just select the folder you created above the drive you want to save. Last time we created a download folder on the E drive, you selected that folder and selected Select Folder. A new window appears showing the download folder of the E drive. To continue, you choose Apply. There is a notification that you want to transfer the download directory to another drive, then select Yes, otherwise, select No, and we choose Yes to continue. Then select OK to complete. I downloaded, for example, an application like WinRAR, and after downloading it, then it's in the E drive folder, no longer saved to the C drive. If you want the download folder to return to the default look C drive, then you do the same, right-click the download directory, select the properties, then select the location, then choose Restore Default, and then select Apply. A notification window pops up, you select Yes, continue selecting Yes, and then select OK to download the defaults on the drive C. Now check the E drive, and the download folder has moved to the default of the C drive. So I've taught you how to transfer the download folder to another drive as well. Move the download folder to the default if you see or like it. Share and subscribe to the channel to watch more videos. Hello, and see you again.